Hi YouTube, this is Pug Life Gaming, and today I'm going to see what happens if you put 3 marshmallows in the microwave for 1 minute. Oh yeah, by the way guys, I want to show you my new dog. Surprisingly and sadly, it's not a pug. But she's like a Rottweiler.
You Wiley. He fell over. Back up, get back up.
She's really cute.
You're so cute.
Alright, so I'm just gonna go get the marshmallows. Don't pounce on me. Here. We're gonna make her go after this. Go get it! Okay, that was kind of bad throw because I'm inside. So I'm just gonna go get the marshmallows and then we'll do this. Okay, so I got my marshmallows. I'm only gonna be using 2 because who the heck knows where I'm gonna be using the others for. And now I'm gonna get a plate. Alright. Now we're gonna put these things in for about, I'd say 45 seconds. Go. I'm just gonna get up on here so you guys see what happens. Okay. With them starting to puff up a little bit. Pretty neat. Okay, we're 20 minutes in and they're starting to pump. Alright, got about 20 seconds left. Right now, about 10. It's my dog. 3, 2. Okay, they're done. They're done, guys. Oh my gosh, they look like fluff. Hold on, I'm just gonna dig it. Oh crap, guys. Wow. Oh yeah, that's my brother over there. He just come down to see what. Hey Ryan, what the heck are you doing? Well, I'm putting marshmallows in the microwave.
Oh, I like to do that too.
Yeah, isn't it kind of fun? Yeah. Alright. What? I'm making a video.
Okay. Did you already do it?
No, I'm still making it. Look at that, guys. So cool.
Why are you doing this?
I don't know. I just felt like it. Please mind my brother. So yeah, that's the only point of the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and don't do this at home because my mother's not home. So, alright. I just had to do that one last time. Alright. I'll see you in the next video.